Monkeys use leaves to pay for bananas. Monkey buys banana. Monkey eats banana. Life is good. But monkey wants more bananas and doesn't have enough leaves. So monkey uses a leaf card. This card lets monkey buy bananas now and pay for them later. Monkey is essentially borrowing leaves from the monkey bank. When monkey uses a leaf card to buy bananas, the monkey bank pays for those bananas up front. Now, monkey owes the bank those leaves. Monkey usually has about 30 days to pay the leaves back. If monkey pays on time, everything is fine. If monkey doesn't, well, we'll get to that. To get a credit card, monkey has to go to the monkey bank. But monkey bank won't give leaf cards to just any monkey. Monkey must prove they pay for things regularly. Repay leaves they borrow and pay back on time. All this information becomes one number, the credit score. This number helps monkey banks decide how likely you are to repay your leaves. A higher score makes it easier to get a leaf card and borrow more leaves. In the US, anything above 740 is good, above 800 is very good, and below 580 is not great, not very tasty, not good. Using a leaf card doesn't mean monkey has unlimited leaves. Beginner cards usually let monkey borrow around 1,000 leaves. But as the monkey bank grows to trust monkey more, the borrowing limit increases. So why use credit cards instead of your own leaves? A few reasons. Maybe monkey can't afford to buy bananas right now, but can afford smaller payments over time. Maybe monkey wants to build a good credit score, so banks trust them with bigger loans for things like a car or a house. Maybe monkey has an emergency and needs to borrow leaves quickly. Leaf cards are also safer if someone steals monkey's card. Monkey doesn't lose their own leaves, the bank steps in because it's their leaves at risk. And if monkey gets scammed with fake bananas, the monkey bank can help. But the biggest reason monkeys love leaf cards is rewards. Banks want monkeys to use their cards, so they offer bonuses. Rewards can be extra leaves, banana points for banana hotels, restaurants, or car rentals, banana miles for flights, or gift cards for specific monkey stores. Most cards even offer a sign-up bonus if monkey spends a certain amount in the first few months. Different leaf cards offer different perks. Some are great for everyday banana shopping. Others help monkeys save points for holidays. Some cards are only available to very wealthy monkeys and are rumored to include free flights, hotel stays, and event tickets, because of course, rich monkeys always need more free stuff. Leaf cards sound pretty great. Monkey gets to use the bank's leaves and even earn rewards. What could go wrong? Credit card debt. This is the dark side of leaf cards. This is what happens if monkey doesn't pay back leaves on time. If monkey doesn't repay everything, they borrowed, the bank charges extra. This is called interest. Interest is simply the cost of borrowing leaves, shown as a percentage of the total amount monkey owes. For example, if monkey borrows 100 leaves with a 10% interest rate, monkey must pay back 100 leaves plus 10 leaves of interest. Interest starts applying only when monkey doesn't pay the full balance, or only pays the minimum, and then comes compound interest, which confuses many monkeys. Mainly because it's not very interesting. Basically, compound interest means the monkey bank charges extra every day monkey doesn't repay. They charge a percentage of monkey's growing debt, and the debt keeps getting bigger the longer monkey waits. For example, monkey borrows 100 leaves with a monthly interest rate of 2%. After 1 month, monkey forgets to pay, so the bank adds 2 leaves. New total, 102 leaves. After 2 months, the bank adds 2% of 102, or 2.04 leaves. New total, 104.04 leaves. After 3 months, they add 2% of 104.04, 2.08 leaves. New total, 106.112 leaves. These small amounts add up fast. And the more leaves monkey owes, the more interest monkey pays. This is why credit card debt is so hard to escape. It grows every day monkey doesn't pay. Technically, monkey can pay the minimum amount to avoid extra late fees, but monkey will still get hit with interest, and most of that payment goes toward interest instead of reducing the debt. Leaf cards also come with fees. Setup fees, late fees, Annual fees. Fees. For withdrawing leaves from a leaf. ATM fees for using the card, too much fees for not using it, enough fees for buying bananas from another country. And if Monkey tries to buy the 2005 film Nanny McPhee, well, Monkey might see another fee. Monkey in a tree making rhymes. Monkey sorry. Monkey got carried away. Now some tips for leaf cards. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. But if Monkey were getting a card, Monkey would remember credit cards are powerful tools, and with great power comes great responsibility. Leaf cards are not free money. Monkeys should always check the APR, the annual percentage rate, which shows the yearly interest, including some fees. Monkey should choose a card that gives rewards for things they actually spend on. Monkey should only spend what Monkey can afford to pay back that month. To keep a good credit score, Monkey tries to stay under 30% of their credit limit before paying back. Monkey tracks expenses, sets reminders, and always pays the bill in full. Thanks for watching.